Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. I'm here again with the Aeroband guitar. And the folks at Aeroband have just asked me to go through some of the things that I like the most about this guitar. And let's start right where we are. I love the fact that this is portable. So one of the things I've always wanted to take my guitar on vacation. We take a vacation to the beach around this time. We just got back from the lake. And I was able to bring this guitar. Now, I've never been able to bring my acoustic guitar because we like to bring kayaks. We have kids now, so we have all the kids stuff. And I was able to bring this because it breaks down. And I don't even have the case yet. So all I did was break it down, put this in one spot, put this in another spot, and it was ready to go. And then when I got there, I just put it together, turn it on, and we're ready to go. So that's a great feature for this guitar. You can take it pretty much anywhere, and I hope to get the case soon. And when I get that, I'm going to show it to you because it's going to allow the movability of this guitar. It's going to excel it so much. So one of the other things that is great about this guitar is the silicone strings. So these strings, if you can't see, they're silicone and they're right on the fretboard. So these are just silicone strings right on the fretboard. But if you notice when I press the string, that light lights up, and I'm not having to press down very hard to get that to work. And so when I play it, I'm not applying a ton of pressure. So it's great for anybody that struggles with pressing down the guitar strings. If it hurts you because you have arthritis, if it's just even finger size, this guitar could be helpful for you if you have a slightly bigger hand. I feel like the strings are spread out pretty well. And I think that this could also be an option for you. So those nylon strings are great. One of the things that I have used it for a ton is just having it at my desk at school and using the Capo function, because a lot of the times I will record with a capo. When I'm writing the song out, I'll need to hear a note, but when I'm putting it into the software, the note doesn't sound the same as I recorded it because I had a capo on. So I have had this at my desk, and then all I got to do is hit this button, and you can see the green light right there. So I'm capo 1 now. If I hit this, I'm capo 2, and and then all I got to do is just move it back. So now I'm back to standard tuning. So those are, it's portable. It's got the silicone strings. It's got the capo. It also gives you some different instruments. If you don't like this sound, it gives you another guitar. So here's what it sounds like. All right. Then an electric. Another electric. All right. Then it gives you a banjo, piano, bass. Sorry, that last one wasn't a banjo. That was the fingerstyle classical. There's the banjo. And then the clavinova. Alright, so now I'm back to normal. So when you get to where you're going with the guitar, all traveled, you got it set up, you put it together. This speaker, I've got it maxed out right now. It's pretty loud, but if you need a little more volume, it also has a 1/4-inch guitar. I've plugged it in, sounds great. If you want to hear more of how it sounds, I've got some videos that I've recorded with it, which would be through the 1/4-inch, to hear how it sounds in an actual song. Now, I want to talk about this USB-C. So this USB-C, you can get any sound that you want as long as you have a virtual instrument in your computer. So what you can do, hit that, plug it into that USB-C, and you can turn this guitar into almost anything. Now, I don't have a lot of virtual instruments, so I am not going to show you that today, but there are several videos on YouTube of people playing this and turning it into almost anything. And so when I have plugged this in, I've noticed that the MIDI tracking is great. I have had some MIDI guitars in the past that did not track well. Like, I remember Fender or somebody came out with something in the 90s. This is way better than that. And it seems to do a good job of tracking, at least as far as I'm concerned, and I plan to do a lot more of that in the future. So let's head over and take a look now at the app. All right, so let's look at the app over here, and I'm going to connect it to the app. All right, that sound means we're connected. All right, now another thing, if you are a beginner guitarist, one of the things that could be great about this for you is having this simple chord, easy chord function. So now when I'm in the easy chord mode, all I've got to do is press any string on these frets. It changes to these colors, and they correspond with different notes over here. So now I can strum and play a C. If I move to the next fret, it's an F. If I move to the next fret, it's a G. Next fret's an A minor. D minor. E minor. Then B minor. All right, so if you were not a guitar player, a way that you could use this is you could use this to add guitar tracks using your MIDI cable to any song that you're recording. You can also pick the notes, just arpeggiate the. And if you get a little more advanced, you can also change it to where you have, it divides up each fret a little more. So now if I press the bottom side of the fret, it's here. It changes from a C to, on the other side, it's a C minor. Bottom side here is a D minor to D. And all of this is customizable. So I can go through and I can move the C around to get it to fit the song that I want. So if I was playing a song in C, I might set it up the way I have it right now. You can also change the note. So if your key has a C minor instead, I just go here, press C minor, hit OK. Then let's just change that to an F minor. All right, and so you can change to just about anything that you want. Now, I'm going to move over to one more thing, and this is called Simplify Chords. So what these things are doing for you is when you're playing over here, you're not having to worry about what your hand's doing for the chord, because when you're playing guitar, a lot is going on. And you're having to worry about having this hand in the right place. you're having to worry about strumming on this hand. And what I find with my students is a lot of the times they might get this side perfectly, but they have a hard time strumming. Now, what this does is takes away the need for having to worry about both at the same time, so you can just concentrate on strumming. And then with this part I'm about to show you, this is called simplify chords. Now you can say that you can't play a full C. You can simplify to either play one portion of the C. So I don't have it set yet, but you could simplify to just play with the C there. Right now it's set to play the first two chords of the C. And all of these I have not set. So what I would do is go through and set it to play two chords or two fingers for each chord, just to get you used to trying to match your notes. I'll come back later and mess with the simplify chord a little bit more and show that off a little bit more. But I feel like as a learning tool, this guitar allows you to separate learning a little bit more, so you can concentrate more on strumming. In some cases you can concentrate on your changes over here in some cases. And what's cool about this is it's gonna play the full chord when you're playing over here. And so like when you're doing those simplified chords with a real guitar, it's not going to do that for you. And so you're gonna have a flimsy sounding chord. You're gonna have to worry about what strings you're playing. So this just allows you to hear the full chord, but work on doing the changes when you're not quite ready to do the full chord yet. Alright guys, we have gone over a lot with this thing. It's got portability, it's got the silicone strings for anybody that has a hard time playing the guitar. It's hurting you. We talked about simplifying the chords. We talked about the speaker. I want to show you one last thing before we go. And one of the other great things is you can change the tuning to anything. And inside the app, there are a ton of tunings that it already has preset, or you can do your own custom tuning. So I'm just going to show you one. This is an open G. And if you notice, it's not sliding for me. That is something that I had turned off, because you have to turn off to do the simplified chord. So let me show you that again. Alright guys, that is Aeroband guitar. It would be a great gift for Father's Day if you're looking for something to buy your father. If they've always wanted to play guitar but never started, this would be a great way to start. It will help you get started. It's portable, so if you're looking for a travel guitar to take somewhere, this is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks guys, have a great day.